Alright, I got one of these from Amazon. This is the cargo cover. It's for a 2026 CR-V, and I want to see if this one will do all right. Everyone knows how expensive the OE equipment, and we'll see. I think this will hide the cargo space. Will be a good upgrade. There's variety of model like this. I picked the leather. It comes with carbon fiber, and this one has the extension. This is the extension with a hook. Well, this is with a strap. This will hook up to this. The interior has this notch on both sides. This is where it's gonna stop right here. So this will just be a plug and play. All right, it's got a little bit of a spring tension. Here, I'm gonna push it that way. See that? See how it moves? So there's just a spring on it. So if I push it that way, it goes out, and then pull it out. Put it back in, just put it on that slot. And this is how it goes. You just pull on it, get this thing aligned in the track, and pull up down. And then close it. The extension, let's see, right there, it's a strap. It's got a lock on it, so it just hooks on to the headrest here, and it locks on like so. It will be the same for the left side. Goes over, locks on, so it just hang on there like so. So if I wanted to like have the recline right there, and that's how it look. It just flop around in there. Extra cover. I say it's not bad, huh? Now let's go in the back again. So if you wanna reel it back, right there. That is not bad, huh? Yeah, it hides all the belongings. Alright, there you go. I am going to I don't have the link but I'm just gonna give you the description or item number on this one. Yeah, so for anyone that owns a CR-V, this is a 2026. This will fit 2023 all the way to 26, and it comes with a different material. There's a carbon fiber look, but I wanted the leather, so it's the same as the interior on the car. There it is. Thanks for watching.